going on, guys? I'm walking to the Wrenchettes. I'm walking this beautiful mystery car, but a life as well. Now that's the reason I'm in this angle right here, because I don't want to show you the car that I'm currently in. I went ahead and bought me another car. Now I know what you guys are thinking. Where is a G35? And thank goodness he don't have no boogers up his nose, because that angle is like right up there. You know what I'm saying? I made sure I was clean, brother. You know what I mean? So here it is. We are in Coupe right now, and this is the baby that I bought. Look at that, a G37, baby. Yeah. And I paid for that beauty right there for only $3,000. How many miles? I think it has like 200K. Not bad. That's really good. Look at that. I mean, look at that beauty. Look at that. Oh man, can't beat it. Can't beat it. So here I am in my new G37, baby. But I have to come clean. I snaked you guys. This is not my G37. This is actually a full Dodge G37. That guy has like an addiction to buying cars, and he just bought this one out of the blue, which you can see. It needs some muffler work, but overall, you know, a used car is gonna have some things here and there, but the main core is good, meaning the transmission is good and the engine is super quiet. So let me know in the comment section down below, did he get a good deal for this car or not? That is right, I am back in Pennsylvania. It's funny because it says pursue your happiness, but when you try to pursue your happiness, they give you a ticket, don't tell you, and then send the freaking sheriff after you. What kind of hypocrisy is that, Mr. Pennsylvania? To say, whenever you leave your car unattended and you're not there to take care of it, man, it just breaks down, man. Like, I haven't seen this car thinking what, a week and a half or something, and the check engine light is back on. Of course, that happens if I don't use it. That's normal. But those first 5 minutes, my God. And now I'm driving to the car wash real quick. You can see I'm in good old Pennsylvania. Let me show you how the condition is right now. Not that bad, but it needs constant love. For those who doesn't know, that happened because of a delivery truck, or somebody hit it again. This was the first one, it was a dump truck from the city, and this one the second truck. Two trucks on the same side. And that's something, and both well parked. New York City at its best. So that is it for this video. I washed the car, raced the car, gave it some love. Now I'm gonna go store it again. Probably I'll come back in 2 or 3 days and do a couple of more videos. But yeah, it was interesting to see that the VQ did okay against the VHR, but that VHR pulls, man. It's super torquey. That engine is just bananas. I like it. I really like it. Anyway, until next time, guys, God bless. Step it up. Peace.